Today, I'm checking in to the best luxury hotel in New York City to live out my Manhattan lifestyle dreams. I'm Amanda from Travel Happy Amanda. Let's get into it.
Back on track.
I'm headed to check into the Peninsula New York in a few minutes. It's a world-renowned 5-star hotel, and I have always wanted to stay there.
Oh, that's where you got the coffee?
We're dragging our suitcases through the city right now like crazy people.
Thanks for carrying all our stuff.
It wasn't called Saks 6th Avenue.
Okay.
It's called Saks 5th Avenue.
And just like that, we're here. Look at this lobby. We're going all the way up to the 15th floor, so I'm hoping that means a good view.
Thank you.
Wait till you see what's outside this window.
Oh, there's the Louis Vuitton building right
Is that
there.
what that
Oh
is?
my gosh.
I saw that as soon as you said it.
Wow.
Look at all this storage space. Here's the 5-star hotel room tour. This room is huge for a historic city hotel, first of all. This place is definitely worth the money.
Oh yeah, even the bathroom has a view. Let's look. Is that comfortable?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
It's unbelievable.
This is the softest bed I've ever slept in.
Not even close.
Oh my gosh. This is the best bed I've ever laid in, for sure.
I didn't expect this, but they set out little brownies for us.
This brownie is incredible.
It's a really good brownie.
This is a first-class experience for me. Time to head out on the first adventure of the day. We're running late, so scrapping the plans to walk to the museum and are taking an Uber now.
Looking for the Uber.
This is the line for the American Museum of Natural History. You can skip the whole line out front if you buy tickets online ahead of time. Our reserve time for the Hayden Planetarium is starting right now, and I have no idea where it is.
This place is crazy. Okay, welcome to the Planetarium. Here we go.
You get one add-on experience included with your museum ticket. Definitely choose the Planetarium. They take your picture in front of a green screen as you enter while you're watching the pre-show.
Follow the seating instructions of the staff member.
This is so immersive.
That was amazing. Oh my goodness. I got chills. That was so good.
Tom Hanks narrated.
Yeah, Tom Hanks narrated it. So amazing.
Please gather all of your
Exceeded all
belongings
expectations.
and return
really
all
did.
translation devices as you
That's
exit
so
the reveal
amazing.
door.
Let's go explore the Natural History Museum now.
It's kind of like a zoo if there were no live animals.
I actually like it better. It's like I don't have to feel bad for the animal in the cage or whatever.
Is that a fossil of a cow? A few blocks from here is one of the best pizza places in New York. This is Patsy's Pizzeria on 74th.
So the Planetarium exceeded expectations. Oh yeah, by far. It's amazing. I don't know what you call this outfit style I'm wearing, but when I'm old, this is what I'm exclusively going to wear. Like a loose flowing linen top and these flowing pants. Thank you. Look at that. Oh my gosh. We're doing a lot of walking and stuff today, so don't overindulge before we go.
Like,
All right, what would you rate this?
not to be dramatic, but I've had a lot of pizza in a lot of places, and this is by far the best pizza I've ever had. The hype about New York pizza is not overstated. It is real.
Okay.
It is real.
Best pizza you've ever had.
100%.
Here at Patsy's Pizza. All right.
I don't know about you, but I need a sweet treat after that. I heard the original location for the famous Levain Bakery is near here. Let's check it out.
Hi, I can help whoever's next.
Oh, it did. Dun, 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 dun. What do they look like? Ooh, that's the dark chocolate peanut butter one. Let's see. Oh, it looks really good. Okay, I'll take it.
Try to buy it.
All right. Yeah, it's solid.
These lived up to the hype. 10 out of 10. I would recommend it's worth your time to visit. I'm taking the subway to Times Square, then I'll walk back to the hotel from there.
Do I have any chocolate on my face? We want the 42nd Street one.
The subway is so easy to use for visitors now because you just tap your credit card or your Apple Pay as you enter. Quick preview of Times Square before we come back tonight. They have balloons out in the lobby for someone's anniversary. I am obsessed with this hotel. Time for a quick rest though.
Look at these flowers they dropped off. That's so nice. This is your move?
You got them with this. That's how you close the deal.
Is that the dice? What is that? There's not even music.
There's music in my head.
They're supposed to have a rooftop bar. Let's go try to find it.
The bar is named Pentop. We're on the roof of the Peninsula Hotel right now. I never thought I'd say those words. This is called Billionaires Row, where the buildings are big and the trust funds are even bigger. I don't think you have to be a guest of the hotel to visit the rooftop bar. You just need to make a reservation. Heading out for dinner at a top tourist destination, which means back to the subway and then navigating on foot from there.
Thanks so much. Line for Joe's Pizza.
Waiting in that line would be my villain origin story. I can't handle lines like that. I'm more of a casual tourist.
Okay. Back on track. Oh, we're turning left? Okay.
We made it to Carmine's. They serve meals family style here, so we'll probably just get one entree for the whole table.
Hair's going up. It is hot in here. Oh, that's a fun table. Hair's gonna stay up though. Josh back up. tomorrow is going to be a little more walking. So, everyone prepare.
I love the energy at Times Square. I know it's touristy and overstimulating, but that's me. I'm an overstimulated tourist, so that's perfect.
We're looking for the Hershey store now. There it is. Look at all this Reese's gear. Cotton candy. Yeah, let's get the birthday cake one. Got the goods. Back out into the rain. Now for the M&M store. Here it is. It's right by the Hershey store.
I personally prefer the Hershey store over this one, but that's just me. Late night fruit smoothie for the win. The city may never sleep, but I sure need to. You won't believe what I have planned for tomorrow. Be sure to like and subscribe to find out. I'm always posting luxury travel content here at Travel Happy Amanda. I'll tell you if it's worth the money and where you should go on your luxury vacation.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.